good as it's gonna get. I could definitely work in this bitch. Like if I have my laptop, working this over there, relax, cup of joe.
No, you could not.
Dude, I'd get a hunchback, but you just gotta move my tools down there. Stupid engineers don't know how to do stuff. See, when I'm an engineer, I ain't gonna do this stuff, so people can't blame me. You know these are magnets? You guys didn't know? That's how you make music. And then I just figured out that this whole back of the car, super roomy. You can seriously camp in here. This shit's cheap. So I'm taking a break because I broke my control module over there. I'm kind of mad. $32 on eBay. Still pretty sad though. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Want to start off today first letting you guys know that we did hit 1,000 subscribers, and it is a really big accomplishment, and I can't believe we actually made it. I remember, I think last summer it was around the same time I was at like 350 or 400 or something like that, and to actually be at 1,000 is actually insane. So thank you guys very much for getting me to that 1,000 mark, and I very appreciate it. Something that a Mustang, if you have the base model Mustang GT V6 Eco Boost, it really does lack. Oh, it's 100%. I know every owner knows it. What we're doing today. So we are installing kicker speakers for the Mustang. These are really high quality speakers. They're the kickers that come, I think this comes in with the premium package, but I'm not sure. Have to correct me if I'm wrong. But these are the kicker. They are a coaxial speaker, 4 ohm, 6.5 inch, and with a 0.75 tweeter. So they sound really good when you get them in the car. So let's go ahead and jump into this video and get them into the car. Alright, so the first step of getting the stock speakers out is you gotta open this up. You gotta get this little part off, and then there's 2 bolts underneath here that you gotta take off to get the whole panel off. And then you take out this bolt. Oh, I'm so good at this. Man, that shit was stuck in there. Yeah, these are disgusting. Yuck. These, it says that it's able to plug right into it. Oh wow, would you look at that? Oh, sick. And I don't think this mounts up. Yeah, with the holes. You gotta drill your own. Okay, now that's really sketchy. See, because just by going off a little bit, one of the holes doesn't line up. That one's good. That one's now that's plugged in. Say that's not going anywhere. All done. Now, since this is, let me see. With anything I learn, fear is just a part of love. You can already tell the difference.
I like this song.
You can't. I'll get copyrighted. YouTube. Do you have it on? Yes. Yeah, that took a long ass time because stupid engineers don't know how to do stuff. See, when I'm an engineer, I ain't gonna do this stuff, so people can't blame me. No, because I broke the plastic thing off. I knew I probably should have just left it.
Manhandled it.
Where'd my wrench go? I thought this was gonna be a... Make sure that goes in the right hole. Fucking done. Okay, so you have to get this back panel off. The thing you gotta do is you gotta take off these pop clips that are hiding behind here. They look like that. And then there's only 2 of them. There's one right here, and then there's one right here. And then the whole thing comes off, and then you can get to that speaker, and that speaker. And then I just figured out that this whole back of the car, super roomy. You can seriously camp in here. Like there's more than enough room. All I need is a ski box on top, and then I can have all my stuff. So I'm taking a break because I broke my control module over there. I'm kind of mad. $32 on eBay. Still pretty sad though. Okay. Matt, can you hand me my screw stuff? Getting this one in the back is gonna be a pain. There's 3 screws. That's gonna be a pain in the boots. Oh, I'm using all my abs to keep me up. Holy cow, that's a workout. This shit's cheap. You know these are magnets? You guys didn't know? That's how you make music. I could definitely work in this bitch. Like if I have my laptop, work in this. Over there, relax, cup of joe.
No, you could not.
Dude, I'd get a hunchback, but... Alright, come on. We gotta go out here. These tissue paper speakers. Like that. Wait. Like that. And then so when you have the supports like this, you want to reuse it. You want to reuse them like that to be able to drill the holes in.
Man.
See, I put this, I drilled 2 holes. I can shove this through like that. So then it's easy to plug in. This just goes up on top like this. And then same thing. So the negative. Positive. It's as good as they're gonna get now. Good as it's gonna get. Definitely copyrighted. Okay, oh. Dude, I'm so surprised of how big it is back there. If I ever get stranded somewhere, definitely sleep in this bitch. It was a success other than me breaking that one part. Whatever. Time to clean up, close all the doors, and see how it sounds. Alright, everything's all put back together. We got everything in the back, all good. It's like it never was installed, so everything came out good, and it sounds pretty good. I'll turn it up a little bit, but I can't play it for too long. So it's a bad song, it's part of the song. But the speakers sound good, they work, like they should. So I think the next thing to do is you would have to get a upgraded head unit so I can dial in the sound more, but other than that, it should do for now. Alright guys, well that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. By all means, it was not a professional way how to install it. I ran into a lot of problems. This is one of them. I freaking broke my control module, so my windows do not go up and down anymore. But I did buy one on eBay for 32 bucks, so not that big of a deal. But anyways guys, that is the end of this video. I am gonna call it there. There's a big update for the car coming because I just hit 1,000 subscribers. Again, thank you guys so much for getting me to that mark, but I do have something really big for the car coming, and I told everybody when I hit 1,000 subscribers I was gonna do it just because I want to do it and I want to learn that skill. So if you guys haven't checked out my TikTok, I have set it on my TikTok, so go check it out. But guys, I hope you guys enjoy your day. Hope you guys are out there making a difference or accomplishing what you guys want to do in life, because I sure hell am. And without that guys, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Saturday, Sunday, Friday, Monday, whenever you're watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you can believe it, you can achieve it. See ya.